All right, this is a London session. I'm going to be marking out the support and resistance here that you can see. There's support on the bottom, in the middle is a resistance that's turning into a support. Then you can see a resistance up there. I'm waiting for a break, as you can see, a break in the retest, and then for price to go higher. This seems like a very valid setup where you just wait for some volume to break and then for it to retest and then go up. It's still part of my strategy, it's still part of the volume breakout strategy. So yeah, I'm going to be playing this in 2 times speed. And after London session, it's still during London session, but it's after 8 a.m. And I'm just waiting for price to come down to retest that zone to enter for a 2.5 point stop loss. And yeah, aiming for 1 to 2, of course. As you can see, there's a screen recording right there of me basically just about to enter. I also marked out my MT5 as well, because I'm not gonna lie, MT5 is way more quicker. You can see my trading view hasn't even moved up, and you can see my MT5 is moving up. It's basically a delay with trading view, and that's annoying, but it is what it is. Now I'm just setting up my SL, as you can see. And then I'll be pretty much doing my TP as well. But SL first, because you know how price could move. It could just come down just in one go, and you just don't want to be late. I remember, I think it was my first trade I've taken in this challenge. I'm trying to flip the account right, where it went way low and I had to manually close it. And I don't want to be doing the same mistake again. I don't want to lose more than what I need to lose. So yeah, and now I'm adjusting the long position on TradingView, so you know my correct entry and exit. One other thing is that on TradingView, because I'm using FX Open Broker, I wasn't able to use a Fusion Markets broker for gold. So you can see it looks like it wicked me out. However, in my MT5, because I'm using Fusion Markets, it didn't wick me out. So I'm still in the trade, but on TradingView, it's showing that I'm not in the trade because of the fact that I'm using Fusion Markets, not FX Open. But FX Open is the only one that was actually working, because last time I remember gold wasn't even moving on TradingView. So that's that. But you can see this is edging my SL. We went from edging TPs to edging SLs. Can someone explain what's going on? How can we go from edging TPs to edging SLs now? It's insane. It's actually insane. It's just funny. It's just funny how price is just always either consolidating or moving correctly. I mean, there's no way that price should have reacted from wherever it reacted. So it definitely was like a retest, right? A break and a retest. And I'll show you later on as well on the 5 minute, but it was basically a break and a retest as well. On the 5 minute, you could see clearly as 1 minute. That's where I enter, and it should have clearly went up, but I'm not sure what's going on with gold. I've decided that I'm most likely going to carry on with this account. If this account does not go well and I lose it, I'm just gonna take a break from London. I'm just gonna take a break. That's literally what I'm gonna do. That's what I've decided to do, because it's not worth it. I'll wait until the markets come back to normal. Yeah, so you can see in this trade, I took the L, came and took me out. I was considering moving my sell higher, but then I was like, there's no point. So I was just like, I'll just leave it. And now I'm looking for short position, because you can see price failed to react after support, and it was leaving wicks up there. So I was like, cool, we're looking for shorts now. And if you look at the 5 minute, or if you just look at the overall trend, it did look like it was shorts. So I was like, cool, we're looking for shorts. If this plays out, amazing. If it doesn't, is what it is. And now I'm just waiting for my entry. As you can see, I'm marked out on TradingView. But yeah, I'm not really happy with London session. I'm not gonna lie with you. Not really happy with it. It's not even the fact that I'm missing or anything like New York session lately. Just not happy with it at all. As you can see, look, it was bearish. So I was like, cool, maybe all of this move was just a correction for it to just continue downwards. And I was like, cool. Sells are not a bad idea. And you can see that I've entered 2 positions. 2 positions. I'm setting my SL right now, obviously. And yeah, I couldn't really enter like instantly because price was moving kind of hectic. So I was like, okay, cool. And yeah, that's why my SLs are like kind of different, but they're both basically 2.5. And now I'm adjusting on TradingView, so you can see. And now I'm just doing my TP as well. But it didn't even let me do my TP because price just instantly came up and just took me out. It is what it is. Let's see. I'll carry on this account until I'm like blowing it, or if I'm up then it's nice. But that's it with London session. We'll come back tomorrow. Next clip will be me going into New York session. Alright, I want to quickly give an update about New York session. I was thinking of obviously doing New York session like I always do. However, Lucid didn't like allow me because I was needed to buy a 25k account, and well, when I was trying to buy it, it was keep on popping up saying this, and because of that, like it wasn't letting me go like in to buy an account, so I wasn't able to basically buy an account. So I don't know, it's like some like DNS like error or something like that. So I wasn't able to buy it. So I was like, cool, can't do anything about it. I'll come back tomorrow. Either way, the markets were kind of chopping around right now. So it's all good. We'll come back tomorrow for New York. But yeah, there's no New York session today, sadly. I didn't take a trade or anything. So yeah, I just wanted to come and quickly update, quickly like, tell you guys and just, tell you why that I couldn't trade New York session today. And that's all. And thank you for watching.